Hey guys, Luke Taylor here, or Instagram and YouTube FPV by Luke. Today we're heading to the Portland Classic Auto Club Show and Shine at South Coast Raceway. Got a couple of cameras on board, drone, let's see what we can create.
Spread your love and hear what I'm saying now. Spread your love and hear what I'm saying now. Spread your love
This is an auction for the drag for the car club actually to come out for the show and shine, and it's in NANSPEC. You would have seen if you've been out here before, you would have seen NANSPEC not only doing a bit of drag racing, but it is purpose-built burnout car. It's a bit different to most burnout cars. It's got a 318 Hemi in it, and that's right. It's a Corolla station wagon. So it used to be his Nana's car up there in Mildura. I think he learnt to drive in it, did you, Braden? I'm not sure. And yeah, he was cruising around, and now he's converted it all into being a burnout car. So, and this dude just quietly, don't tell him, he can drive a bit. So it's got to be quick, it's going to be up and down, and it's going to be very entertaining. So we're going to do an auction to be a passenger in the car. He's got the tyres on, fueled up, ready to rock and roll. So if anyone's looking around, there's no more hands in the air. Twice, Dougie Parker on 300. Looking around, and third and final time call.
Knock him down.
Knock it. It's Dougie Parker
Dougie.
takes the win. $300 for the first ride with Braden in the burnout car.
Well done.
Thank you for watching. I'd just like to thank the sponsor of this video, Prominence Salon. Call in and see the guys at 74 Percy Street, Portland for the best fades, shaves and cuts. Rikki Briggs from Aussie Home Loans for all your broker needs. Home loans, car loans, refinancing, he does it all. He's local to Portland. Tell him Luke sent you. Maree Nails and Body with 13 years of nail knowledge and now offering body sculpting treatments. Please head to our Facebook and Instagram for more information. Sam Lucas, House Restumping, the best in the business when it comes to house restumping. They get the job done. Give them a call for a quote. I'll put links to all their socials in the description. Thank you.